This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel.
Once you download the file, the zip file, I like to save it into its own folder to kind of keep things organized. So I create a Zim outline maker folder and I put the zip file in there. First thing you're gonna do is extract. So I right click, extract all. I'm gonna extract it into the same folder. I don't need to show the files, extract. You'll see here, now here's the outline maker. When you first come in here, there's the software. The asset folder is just images and the database that's going to keep track of your license and all that stuff. And then the outline input sheet. For the input sheet, it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to put your keyword here under article title. And then when you're ready for that keyword to be run, you put an X in the ready spot. So if you would do keyword, let's say insert keyword, and then we got keyword 2, keyword 3, keyword 4, right? If you only put an X in 2 of these, the software will only run these 2 lines. And once the software is done, it will update the fields and it'll put a completed status here. So it'll come back and it'll say completed here. So in this situation, if you would run this and it's in this format, it would skip this line because it already says completed, and it would only run the one with the X. So that's how you use the sheet to get things ready. I'm only going to do this insert keyword here. So let's do, for this one, let's do in-ground pools. And I'm going to say it's ready, and I'm going to save that file. So now my input file is ready. So now we're going to open the software. First thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to input our license code. So let me grab that license. Okay, so we need to input a license code, which is here. There's license ID, Control C, and go to software. I'm going to input the license code. Say OK, and the software open, and you can see here there's going to be this terminal open, so you can kind of see what's going on with the software. For the outline creator, you can select either GPT 3.5 Turbo or 4. I suggest 4. If you use 3.5, it will not add the shortcodes for tables, lists, and YouTube videos. So I'm going to show you with 4. So you just pick what you want to do. You're going to select your file. I'm going to select the Zim outline input file and say open, and I just say start. Oh, see, good thing I did that. So I didn't set my API credentials. So you got to set your API keys. So before we do that, what we have to do is we have to set our OpenAI key. So let me grab the key here. Let me go back to the software, set my OpenAI key. Okay. So now I've got GPT-4. I'm going to select the file, Zim outline input, OK, and now start. You can see here it's in-ground pools. It's creating the article outline, and it's using GPT-4. As you can see in the terminal back here, it prints out the outline, so you can kind of see it here as it's working. It says that now the status is updated successfully, and now it's checking to see if there's another row, because if there was, it would then go to the next row that says ready, and it'll do that one. There is a break, probably about 30-45 seconds between runs. The reason it is for that is so that you don't send too many requests to your OpenAI key, or else it will block you. Okay, so now it says all outlines have been completed. Please check the input file for the outline. Okay, and the other thing, if you do hit OpenAI issues, sometimes you'll see OpenAI issues, you'll get an error that'll show up over here. It'll have all kinds of coding, mumbo jumbo, and all kinds of stuff. But if you look through, normally you're going to see something where the OpenAI key either didn't respond or had a 400 error or 500 error or whatever. So then you just need to close the software and restart it. Maybe take a quick break because OpenAI is having trouble, and then just restart that. Okay, so now let's go look at the outline that was created. So let's go back here. Okay, so now here we have the outline. So now you can see, make these a little bit bigger, but we've got, this is where I put, it says it's completed. We've got in-ground pools for the title. Now we got outline focus, the background, the outline, and this is written in the format that ZimmWriter needs to upload into the bulk outline system. And here you can add your own SEO keywords and then a category here if you want. So let me pause this while I grab the Zim converter. Okay, now that I've opened the bulk upload CSV creator from ZimmWriter, so you can see these columns are the same. So I'll go back to my output. So now we've got article title. So what you'll do is you'll just copy this stuff from here. And you will paste it into here. So now we have the article title, outline focus, background, pools, keywords, and WordPress category. If you wanted keywords, you can see how sometimes this, for some reason, this is just a sheets issue. You may have to, you can see how that split right there sometimes. So if that happens, you can also do it this way, where you just do the article title, and then we grab the outline, and yeah, there we go. Now you can see the SEO keywords. So here, the way Matt has this set up is you can add SEO keywords that you want to focus on. I'm not going to go into grave detail about how to add extra stuff in here, but this is creating the outline. If you look at the outline, see how it's going to use, he suggests use lists, tables, and YouTube videos. Then you'll do it in this, where you put the brackets with the list, table, or YouTube video, and you can see how that's been built into our outline. So I'm going to have a list, table, another list. Here's a YouTube video that's going to be pushed into this outline, all from the exporter. Okay, now I have ZimmWriter open, and I'm going to show you how you would then utilize this, where you can do a whole bunch of them, get them here. You go to this second sheet, say File, Download as CSV. Okay, so that CSV has been downloaded. Now I go to ZimmWriter, and I go to Bulk Writer. I'm going to do SEO, CSV. Here's a link to that sheet. So if you go in here to get a copy of that sheet, you can go here and make your own copy. I'm going to load the CSV file we just created right here, the CSV file that I downloaded. Load that. And then, I don't want declusion, and I'm going to make, short FAQs. If you see this, you'll see once you hit start, it's pulled in all that information from that CSV. So it's going to write an article about the title, and it's going to utilize my outline and then use ZimmWriter to build my article. So you can see here, confirm, I want to do a article about in-ground pools, and it'll utilize the outline we did. So if I was able to do probably 250 to 400 articles over the weekend. I don't know the exact number because I had a bunch of stuff going on. Doing this route, I would utilize the Zim outline creator. I put the terms in, created a bunch of Zim outlines pre-made with the way that Matt needs them for ZimmWriter. Downloaded the file, upload them, and then let ZimmWriter run all weekend, and it was pulling in all the list, YouTube videos, and all the things on autopilot. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we'll be happy to help.
This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.